Alright folks, I want to show you how I season cutting boards. I use a product called Howard cutting board oil. You can find a link for this in the description of the video. It's you get 12 ounces with this bottle, and it doesn't take a whole lot to spread it on a cutting board and season a cutting board. So when I do this, I always want to get my paper towel handy, and so I can start wiping it right on. So I have my paper towel here. You can use gloves if you want to, you don't have to. This is food grade oil so that it doesn't leach into your food. This is one of my favorite steps in making the cutting board because it really lets those colors of the wood pop. So I probably spread a little bit too much on to start with, but you just get the top, make sure you get all of the sides. Sometimes the end grain takes a little bit more. It's got to absorb into that end grain. And I'm going to do the back of it. There you go, you have a nice seasoned cutting board. Now I usually do one coat and let it dry, and sometimes I'll put another coat on, and then about every 6 months after using a cutting board, you'll want to put more oil on it. You can use just regular cooking oil. You don't have to use this Howard cutting board oil, but you sure can get a bottle, just keep it at your house or whatnot. Like I said, they're not too expensive, and we didn't hardly use any of it. So there you go, folks. That's how I season and treat a cutting board. One more little tip though, make sure all your sanding is done before you're putting cutting board oil on, because if not, you will see that glue. There's a cutting board there, the glue didn't get quite sanded off, and so that oil wasn't able to get in those little spots. So just make sure you do all your sanding. Sanding is 100% done before you put any oil on it. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. Make sure to work hard, because hard work is its own reward.